In this video, you'll learn how to enable late fees in QuickBooks Online so you can automatically charge customers for overdue invoices and encourage on-time payments. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Account and Settings. This is where you manage your company preferences, including billing and invoice options. When the Settings window opens, go to the Sales tab. This section controls how you manage your invoices, payments, and customer interactions. Scroll down until you see the Late Fees section. Here you can turn on the option to automatically apply late fees to overdue invoices. Next, customize the settings to match your billing policy. Choose the type of late fee, either a flat fee or a percentage of the overdue balance. Set the grace period, which determines how many days after the invoice due date the fee will apply. You can also choose whether to calculate the fee per invoice or per month, depending on your preference. Once you've entered your late fee details, review everything to make sure it aligns with your business policies. Then click Save to apply the changes. QuickBooks will now automatically add late fees to invoices that are past due, helping you stay consistent with your billing. That's it. By going to the gear icon, opening Account and Settings, navigating to the Sales tab, enabling late fees, and saving your preferences, you can ensure your customers are billed properly for overdue payments and keep your cash flow on track.